So I'm in Jamaica, and one of the things that I believe we need to talk about when it comes to Jamaica is how amazing it is. Because, yes, you can go to another country that has a great beach, sunshine, water, attentive staff, and good food. But you will not find the same vibe as Jamaica.
My YouTube channels. My name is Team Tesi Reaction. Kindly for watching me for the first time. Remember to subscribe, like, and also comment. For my returning viewers, thank you so much for your love and your support you are giving me in this channel. So guys, in today's video is about Jamaica. We all know how Jamaica is really a good place, how Jamaica is the most loved country across all over the world, how Jamaica is the kings and queens of Caribbean, because when you just mention Caribbean, most of them think that Jamaica is a continent, but no, but that is wrong. Jamaica is just an island, it's just a country, but it's the influential country across all over the world. So guys, in today's video I want to deep in how most people across all the world now fell in love with Jamaica. And in this video, it's a combination of video about people coming out and fell in love with Jamaica without no reason, with how the Jamaica is ruined. So kindly guys, let's watch this video until the end, and then we'll come back with more reaction.
And when we say vibe, vibe is a short word for vibration, which is another word synonymous to energy. The energy of Jamaica is powerful, uplifting. It takes you to a state of peace and optimism, fun, adventure, exploration. You end up radiating on your highest frequency. And the best way I can put it, and I really took a moment to think about it last night, is that Jamaica helps you to fall in love with yourself through, I don't know if it's the nature, the interactions with people, just the fun you have, the way you feel. Like there's just something here. There is something here that you end up glowing. You know, it also could be the fact that the food is organic. You ain't eating crap for a while, but it's all of the above. It's all of the above. And I will always tell people about how amazing my country is, because most people aren't aware of how deep it goes. They just see Jamaica and they have their nuanced ideas of what it is, but this place is special and powerful.
It marvel me how much impression Jamaican have on the world. A small little country like Jamaica is so impactful. Like, we go places in a big foreign, bro, and a person would hear my accent and they would say to me, "Where are you from?" "I'm from Jamaica." Jamaica! I love Jamaica. And have you ever been to Jamaica before? No, but I plan to go. Jamaica is such a wonderful place. I love the people. I love the food. It's like a big deal. Jamaica is such an inspirational place, yo. We're just happy to be a Jamaican. The aura where Jamaica bring off unmatched, isn't me? No disrespect to nobody else in the country, but everybody want a little bit of Jamaican in them, isn't me? Big up to everybody. We love Jamaica, is it? We love it too, yeah?
Restaurant in every single country in the world. So I have traveled to around 20 different countries, and what I still don't understand is how every single place I've visited, I've always met a Jamaican person who has married a local, has mixed Jamaican kids, and has opened up a Jamaican restaurant with the best Jamaican food in town, which is the only Jamaican restaurant in town. Like, I understand if you are a person of Chinese or Indian descent, because China and India literally incorporate around a third of the entire world's population, and because of colonization. But Jamaica is a tiny island from the Caribbean. So my question is, how did you even find this country to immigrate to, first of all? Again, if you really do not believe me, literally, wherever you are in the world, look up Jamaican restaurant in your country and you will find it.
So I'm getting ready to go to Jamaica again. I can't wait for this next trip. And it's like the magical portal, the most magical portal that I've ever been to. And all my girlfriends are like, girl, you're going to Jamaica again? And I'm like, yes, I am. And they're like, why do you love Jamaica so much? And I'm like, girl, have you ever been to Jamaica? It's quite the most beautiful, most surreal, I just can't explain it. You just gotta go. And, I was trying to tell her the reasons why I love it, because I've been there the past year. I've been there 3 times, and I've been to a lot of different places. I've been to Dubai, I've been to Africa, I've been to Mexico, I lived in Spain. Like, I've been around, but something about Jamaica just does it for me. It's like everything. So the food is absolutely incredible. The people, I feel like I'm just home, you know what I mean? Everyone accepts me. It's just, I don't know, it's everything. The views, the vibes, like, it is just a good time, and I just can't wait because I'm gonna be there again, and I'm bringing more of my friends this time. So see you soon, Jamaica.
If you are a black person especially, and you're used to feeling like a second-rate citizen in your own country, and you come here and you are seen, you are appreciated, you are validated, and on top of that, you are laughing all day long. Why wouldn't you think this is paradise? It is paradise. Land that I love. This is the first place in the world that I felt like a human being. This is the first place that I felt truly seen. It was the times where I came to Jamaica to vacation as a child, and I barely made friends in the US. And in one weekend in Jamaica, I would make 10 friends. Oh, you want to play dominoes with me? I remember one Halloween I didn't have a costume. Well, my mom got me a costume. I didn't like it, and she punished me for that. Anyway, when I went outside, the kids didn't care. They're ready to play with me. They're joking around, they're playing around. They did not care in the least. This is Jamaica, where character matters. People are real here. People truly see you here. And this is what makes it so special and so beautiful, and just such an iconic place to vacation, and hopefully for me to live.
So one of the things I've come to love about Jamaican culture is that, like, at first this was kind of hard, but I like it because you don't ever have to wonder where you stand with somebody that's Jamaican. Like, if they don't like you, you know. If they love you, you know. And I think that's refreshing because, yeah, I mean, we want to be polite, and I get that. And there's a time definitely you want to be that way, but it's also cool because like, if somebody loves you or rocks with you, that it's like real, you know what I mean? It's not just polite. And so I think that's something that's really refreshing about Jamaica. So shout out for just keeping it real and leaving no room for questions, good and bad. Love y'all. Hello guys, welcome back. Hope you have watched a very powerful message and love towards Jamaica. I told you Jamaica is the place to be. Jamaica is just an island, but it has the best influential country across all over the world. When you just mention Caribbean, the first thing that come in mind is about Jamaica, because Jamaica is just a country that has history, and a country that is a called chosen country. Most of them think that Jamaica is just a called chosen country, and they are the Israelites. So guys, Jamaica, one of the most thing that make Jamaica to be known and people in love with Jamaica is about the culture. When you go to Jamaica, Jamaica has the best culture across all over the world. When you go to each and every parish, you will find a very good culture, a very a tourist center. Jamaica being the tourist center across over the world, it's now influencing people, and people now just loving Jamaica. Because when you come in the reggae music, Jamaica is the best in reggae music, the best in rhythms. These guys has the likes of Bob Marley, the likes of Biz Zikinon. Those are the reggae musics, and the other things about the uh, uh, somebody's fell in Jamaica because of how they really run. Jamaica has the best sprinters across all over the world. When you come, you just mention uh, when you just mention Usain Bolt, when you just mention Sherika Jackson, Jamaica is the home of champions. Because when you just mention the short races, Jamaica normally win, because Jamaica has been winning these races for over 50 years. So this is not easy. So Jamaica is the best in those short races. So this made some of the tourists to go and just visit Jamaica and have time with the sprinters, because of that speed that Jamaica have. And you can find that in terms of the culture, people just love to sit with the Rastafaras, because Rastafaras movement is in Jamaica. Most of Jamaicans are Rastafarian, and people love to just to go to Jamaica and have to spend time with Rastas, talk with them. And that movement is just started here from Haile Selassie was the one who invented these Rastas. And though he didn't support that movement, but Jamaican loved that culture, and made some people come out and just laugh in culture. When you go to Jamaica, you will enjoy how they really have a good mountain. Jamaica has the best mountain, and even Jamaica has the underground mountain. And this is the sum of things that made Jamaica to be known, made Jamaica to be loved. It has the best tourist center. You can see how that lady is flocking across along the ocean, and that is the Jamaica that is. And being a Jamaica, when you just go to Jamaica, you will find different people living there. You will find the Indians living in Jamaica. You will find the Arabs living in Jamaica. You will find the Chinese dominating the Jamaica. And even now, we have seen now the whites started moving the Jamaica. And that is the Jamaica, the goodness of Jamaica. Jamaica is the welcoming country, and it has the unity. It love each other, and people just want to go to Jamaica because of the love that Jamaica shows on them. Because Jamaica, there's no any discrimination in Jamaica. We cannot compare Jamaica with other countries, because other countries like these west countries, they have a lot of racism, a lot of discrimination. But Jamaica, there's no any zone for discrimination, no zone for racism. And that is how now people love Jamaicans. And even Jamaica now, across all over the internet, across over the world, they normally love each other. You can see how they really united when somebody maybe just trying to talk about bad with Jamaica. This Jamaica will come out and tell you the truth. They will come out and shut you down. And apart from those, Jamaica also has the best comedy. Best comedian are from Jamaica. When just to go to Jamaica, they will just influence you in terms of comedy, and that is how the Jamaica really rule the world. I can declare that Jamaica is the capital of the world because of that basis. It's it's how really this country influence each other. And Jamaica has approximately around under 6 million population, because people living in Jamaica is about 2.8 million, and over 3 million are living in diaspora. And that is the Jamaica, a influential country that most people love. It's a uniqueness of the country. And even the flag of country is the just a unique, because Jamaican flag is the only flag that featuring no blue, red, and white, and that is the uniqueness of the Jamaica. Even the flag recognizes Jamaica is the unique country across the world. Thank you so much for watching my video once more. It's Team Tessie. If you haven't subscribed, just subscribe, like, share, and also comment. For my returning viewers, thank you so much. Thank you so much for your support, and greetings here from Africa to Jamaica. I love you so much. Bye for now. See you next.